Hello! To turn off Talkback on Redmi Note 14, first of all you need to know how to navigate through your phone with this Talkback function activated. So if you want to go somewhere and you cannot, you have to press on, for example, the Google. You have to select it by pressing once, and to go in here as it is selected you have to double tap to go into this function. Same applies actually to any buttons. If you want to go into the menu and you can't, you have to press on this menu button, double tap, and now you have to disable the application and you have to actually scroll. You swipe using two fingers at once and you press with your two fingers and swipe like this. Alright, so to turn it off, we go into the settings. We have to press to select and double tap to go in here. Now we have to swipe down using two fingers, as you can see, and we have to go into additional settings. We have to press on it to select and double tap to go in here. Next we go into accessibility. Press and double tap, and we have to go into the vision. So we have to press on this vision and double tap to go in here. And here is the talkback function. We have to press on it, double tap, and here is the switch to turn off the talkback. So we have to press on the switch and double tap to disable it. Here is this stop talkback question, so we have to press on the stop button, double tap, and that's how to turn off the talkback. Right now everything is fine, so that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.